This clean, efficient energy source is a representation of Valley View's commitment to not only being sensitive to taxpayer dollars, but also to doing our part in committing to clean energy. I want to thank our board for their foresight, especially our board president, Mr. Steve Quigley.
I'm not sure how big the one is on this roof, but in total, Valley View's deployed 1,900 kilowatts for a rebate that amounts to $478,000.
We vetted this process, and JT and Vic sat through some meetings, and then they gave us a price tag, and we went, man, that's it's a pretty heavy hit, but with assurances and guarantees that this would actually pay for itself in a reasonable amount of time. We had money in the building fund. It made sense that we were going to be doing these roofs at the time. So if you're going to do the roofs and you want to add these solar panels, which to a certain extent will provide a modicum of protection to the rooftop as well. I mean, it's a considerable investment, $5.2 million. So we're here today because we're finding out and learning that not only was the investment wise, but it's also financially prudent, and it's paying for itself in relatively quick order. And I think we're going to be ahead of the curve on getting paid back versus what we thought. And this check certainly is going to help. We are very mindful of the taxpayers' dollars, especially for projects like this, because we do have a lot of needs.
This rebate was something that we came up with as we were negotiating FEJA for many years. This was a way to recognize the value that these solar panels provide to the grid. We were able to recognize early in the process the value that solar was going to provide to us, and we wanted to compensate customers that took this effort and deployed solar for their own benefits. We're very happy to be able to do this and promote renewable energy on the grid.
We felt very strong that this would be a very successful project. We did crunched all the numbers to make sure that our payback was reasonable, and then we embarked on the project. And I can say that as of today, we've generated a significant amount of money. We've energized the system in July of 2017, and as of today, we've saved approximately $633,000 as a result of that, which has been a huge savings to both our energy bill and monies we can place elsewhere in the district.